Hello everybody. Today I am going to show you how to draw this tennis ball in SolidWorks. So let's begin. So at first click here and from here select part and click on OK. Now click on sketch and from this sketch select front plane. Okay. Now from here select center line and draw a center line. Okay. Now select this line, press on Ctrl and select the midpoint and click on midpoint. Okay. Now from here select center point arc and at first, okay, before this one go to smart dimension and take this one 72 millimeter. Okay, now select center point arc. Now at first select this center point. Now select this point and click on this point. Okay, now go to features and from here click revolve boss or base and click on yes. Okay, now click here. Now again click on front plane, sketch, click on spacebar and click on normal 2. Now select center line and from this point to this point draw a line and select this line and make it horizontal. Okay, now go to smart dimension and make this one 30 millimeter. Okay, now click on right plane, sketch. Okay. Right plane, sketch, click on spacebar, click on normal 2. Now again select center line. Now from this point to this point draw a line and select this line and make it horizontal. Okay, and go to smart dimension and make this one 30. Okay, now click on top plane, sketch. Okay, top plane, sketch and click on spacebar and click on normal 2. Now from here select center point rectangle and from the center point draw a rectangle and click this line, press on control bar and select this one and make them equal. Okay, now select this line, make it for construction. Also this line, make it for construction. This line as well for construction and also this line for construction. Okay, now exit. Now go to sketch and from here go to 3D sketch and now select spline. Now click on this point and select this point. Now select this point. Now select this point. Now select this point. Now this point. This point. Also this point and this point also. Okay, now okay, now exit. Now click on right plane, sketch, click on spacebar and click on normal 2. Now from here select center point straight slot, and from here draw center point straight slot. Okay, go to smart dimension, make this one 2 and this one 1.15, enter. Okay, now go to feature. Okay, exit. Now go to features and click on shift cut. Okay, now for this one select this line. Okay, now from here select this one. So we have got our tennis ball. Now we need to apply the material. Okay, now just hide these things. Sketch 4, sketch 3, and also sketch 1. Okay, now click on revolve 1 and from here appearances, revolve 1, and from appearances go to rubber at first and then texture, and I'm applying this one. Now just please check the color, so you can select any color you prefer. So I'm selecting this color. Okay, now just check the background, click here, and for background select scene, and I'm going to presentation scene. Okay, now just from landscape check the backgrounds. Okay, at this one actually, landscape 1, no, landscape 2, no, landscape 4. Okay, okay, one from here can be chosen. Okay, I'm just selecting this one. Okay, so this is our tennis ball. Okay, and finally we have got our tennis ball, and this is the background. And I hope you enjoyed this video.